Right everyone, right, today's job I'm going to be doing a battery monitor. I had no issues with my batteries and that, but I've just ordered a solar panel now and I'm getting ready to fit it. And I want to basically see what power is going into the actual van and how much power we're consuming and that, you know, different appliances and stuff. So I've done a few, looked at a few videos and a few reviews and stuff, and a lot of people have turned around and said that the BM1 by NASA is quite good. So well, I'd look online, it's not many places you sell it like, but I found one place, Clipper, that's the unit there, brand new. Yeah, and comes with all the cables you get. Those connections. This side is for the controller, and then the other end then is for the battery terminal. You also get a shunt. I believe it's an 100 amp shunt. That, yeah. So that'll collect all the bits into it. Connect all the bits into it. That'll connect onto the battery. You get a cheeky little connector block. I actually got it from a place called Cactus. And when I originally ordered it, the email came back and said, "Oh, it won't be here till like the 18th of Feb." Now, bearing in mind this was like 2 days ago when I ordered it, and I thought, "Oh, I'll wait until a week." Anyway, got an email straight after, and it was a 24-hour delivery, and lo and behold, it turned up today. So I was quite chuffed for that. So just a little video really, me attempting to fit this now. By no means, I'm not an auto mechanic, I'm not an electrician or anything, just doing this on my own back. So, you know, this is just if you want to reference stuff, but I wouldn't copy what I'm doing. It's not even fitted yet. Right, I'll get back to you in a minute, bye. So as you can see, that cable's just going through under the sink, and then what I'll do, I'm going to punch it through there and then up into the top, into the main cabinet in here, and I think I'm going to mount the battery monitor up here, actually out the way, I think. So those switches so I can go inside here. As you can see, there's a space, you can't really see, but there's a bit of a space at the top where I can get it into, provided I don't hit that roller door. So we'll see how that goes, and then we'll get it working. So here we have now, boxes all wired in. I'm tying these up when I put my cover on and that. As you can see, I've left the orange blank for the minute, because when I get some, I'm just waiting for a bit longer wire, because the wire I've got is quite short. I'll then connect that, feed it through straight through to the starter battery. And that's the unit on the front there. It's a lot tidy that now, isn't it? So next step now is the battery. So for this one now, we need to put a shunt in, and that comes with a battery terminal, an extra terminal. So there's your extra piece of wire, what's got to go on from the negative, and then that connects to the shunt. So everything on the negative of the leisure battery has got to go on the shunt first. So it goes on the shunt, then to the battery. You can't have nothing on the battery past the shunt. Right, so those two wires now tidied up. As you can see, they went into a barrel terminal on here. Not too sure the proper name of it, like, but they both went there, so they're quite open-ended. So I've just put a bit of heat shrink around them and put some new connectors on them, so they should be quite easier now to install onto the bus bar. And then what I'll do, I'll connect the the wire from the battery to the bus bar and start building these back up. So the cables from the BMI, I've got the black and white here, which connect to the shunt. I don't know why I call it a bus bar before, but to the shunt. So the black and white are together on this section, but on the far end of the BMI they're separate. So these two go to the shunt negative cable, which will then connect up to the battery, and then the yellow cable goes on the opposite side of the shunt, and then I've got the red cable to attach to the positive on the main battery. So I've done that. Got these off eBay, £4, absolutely spot on, copper end connectors, you know, for the cables and that, as you can see now. So what I've done is I've just put some lights on here for you. The positive wire from the BMI has been connected. That's the bus bar, so you got the black and white going into it, yellow coming into it. That's all the negative terminals going onto the bus bar, and then obviously the bus bar is separate to the battery terminal. So as you can see, everything's all connected up now and done. So it's just a case of tidying up these wires all around there. But if you look, voila, we have power. So I think it's the illumination button on here. Yeah, there we go. Happy days. Now I've read loads of people said this, like these monitors have these shadowings at the top. I don't know why I think it's like where they make it or what they've done or something, but as you can see there now, got 0.6 amp discharge on it. I've not set it up yet, so what I'll do is I'll have it tied up in this van now, get everything set up, but gives you an idea of everything what's on it, like. But happy days with that. Back in a minute when I've set it up. Right, so I've just put everything back together now and everything's all sorted and all tied up. I'm just going through the settings on this now. As you can see now, my battery, right, it's got 12.2 volts in it and it's about 75% full. Well, it's just dropped again now, so 65ish. So as you look at it now, I've just turned my fridge and my lights on, right, and they're actually drawing like, well, the fridge is, when it peaked then it was like 6.5 amps, and just it's settling down now, it's like 4.9 amps. Now if you turn the lights off, you'll see that just drop now, and it gives you a good idea of how much power that fridge is drawing. Now I'm not too sure the make of the fridge or anything, but as you can see, it's quite a lot of power. So if you turn the lights at the fridge off, it gives me a good reading how many amps. I think the lights are about 0.6 amps, something like that it's drawing. You can see it's just settling down now. And then if you go to obviously I've not got the amperes going into it now at the minute, but look at the time there. This is brilliant, I love this. It's showing now the battery's got 6-7% left and time to discharge. So if I say I've parked up somewhere and I've just got my lights on and I've got, it's saying I've got 122 hours on the lights roughly. So you know, these are brilliant, these things. I mean, it gives you an idea of how long you can keep stuff on for, because before you didn't really know and you were just guessing, because on mine I only had that little indicator, you see low, norm and high, and to be honest I didn't have a clue how much the power of the battery had in, so it's quite good. So if you just look on that now, 128 hours. So if you turn the fridge on, let's see what this comes in at. So I'll probably check a bit out now. We see that's really drawing some juice out. But still, it's not bad. So 15.5 hours, maybe 14-15 hours with the fridge constantly on, and obviously lights on and off during the day. I think when I fit the solar panel, when I fit the actual solar panel, then I think that'll be should take a lot of power, you know, back into the should put a lot of power back into the battery, and should be a bit of wild camping, hopefully. So we see how it goes. So I think the next video is going to be getting that solar panel fitted, and I'll get that wired up and find out where I'm going to place it on the roof, and then get it all wired into. I need to get his battery monitor done first, like, so I've got a good idea of what I'm working to, and then the solar panel, then I can just wire in and then we'll get it sorted. But anyway, thanks for watching. There you are, BMI.